Today, we will bring you Mother Nature's scary moments. Let's explore now. The majestic storm engulfed New Zealand's South Island, causing the bridge to collapse in a shocking moment.
It was definitely a scary situation.
Just in time to leave, Fox 46 reporters witnessed the bridge collapse in the rushing floodwaters in North Carolina. A dramatic moment.
We saw the road collapse, that same road that we were just in 5 seconds ago. And thank God
The scene of the suspension bridge collapsing after the Tinal River flood is a powerful reminder of the impact of nature and the need to prepare for it. The bridge collapsed under the fierce force of floodwaters in Brazil, a dramatic scene of human helplessness before the power of nature. The glacial floodwaters of Lake Erie County, Pennsylvania, are a testament to climate change and its impact on natural ecosystems. When ice and mud combined, they clogged drains and flooded Alexandria's roads, creating an unexpected scene. The fierce storm swept through the Cyclades archipelago on March 31st, creating powerful floods and bringing traffic to a standstill.